What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So as you've seen, we just replaced the carburetor on the little 110cc. Now it's time to replace the carburetor on the Coleman CT200U. Got this kit on Amazon, comes with everything you need. I'll put a link in the description below for this kit on Amazon. Now hopefully this fixes the problem like the carburetor on the ATV did. I mean, that thing runs like a dream now. Like I said last time, I had to keep it right here. I marked it with the choke half open, half not. But when I cleaned the carburetor, as you've seen in the video, if you watched it, the bowl in the bottom, which this is the bowl, had a bunch of like rust and stuff in it. So I don't know what else could be rusted or be bad. Take this off. Take off this little wing nut. And then you take the filter out. Now with that being done, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two, 10mm if I'm not mistaken. Yes indeed, 10mm. After I remove those two, I'm going to go ahead and remove this hose at the same time. This kit comes with 2 new gaskets, so you'll be good to go there. Also, this is off, so you can just go ahead and pop it right on, like so. Just make sure you know what way is with the choke on and off. It should be set the same way as this. Mine is. Okay, I got the 2 nuts off, these 2 bolts. Go ahead, get yourself something to catch the gas, because when you go to remove the carburetor, you will have to remove the hose that goes to the gas tank. So go ahead and get something ready, just so you're ahead of the schedule. Now, this hose you're gonna pull out. After you pull that hose out, that cover will slide off nice and easy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and pop the spring in this line out of here. I can't do it with one hand. There you go, both of them are popped off. Now as you see, the carburetor wants to come off. Remember which way these gaskets go, just so when you're putting on the new gaskets or reusing yours, it goes on the right way. This is the gas line. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off now. And then just slide this carburetor right out. Make sure you get ready to catch that gas. Okay, I'm letting the gas drain out, as you can hear. Go ahead and you can remove your carburetor now. I just cleaned this thing too. Whoa, not on my shoes. Not on the Nikes, bro. I'll put this with the other old one. I mean, it's crazy to think. This is from a bigger motor. This is from a smaller motor. And they're pretty similar in size, but it's just funny looking. When you think all the gas is out, there's more. Okay, you can go ahead and remove the gasket. Rip it right off. Okay, so that one went on like so. Oh, this Mamma Jamma comes with 3. So you go ahead and you slap your new one on. You can always test fit it first, just to make sure that you're going to put it on the right way. So that way you have no problems down the road. Just make sure you try to put it on even. There you go. If you want to go ahead and replace your line, you can do so. If you want to replace or add the fuel filter, you can. But as you see, the line is buried up underneath everything, so I'm not going to go ahead and replace that. I haven't had no issues with mine. Go ahead and take your carburetor. Now me personally, I'm going to reuse this same big one instead of using one of those little paper ones. You would use, yep, there you go. So you reuse this one if you want to use it, but I'm not going to. I like these better than these little paper ones. Usually don't go on you, and when they do, they've had one heck of a life. Now it's pretty simple. Before I go ahead and bolt everything back up, you need to rehook up everything. So hook up your gas line, hook up your throttle linkage and everything, the spring, same way you took it out, put it back on, and then we'll fit everything back else on. Pretty simple. Almost done now. Okay, I got everything hooked up. Now I'll go ahead and put this cover back on. You'll probably want to push the fuel off and put the choke on. Just makes it easier to slide the cover on straight since there's low grooves. While you're doing it, make sure to put the hose into the exhaust. Okay, that looks pretty good. Looks like everything's situated nice, lined up good. You can go ahead and retighten up these 10mm nuts, and then put your filter back on and the cover to your filter, and you'll be good to go. We'll start this bad boy up in a second after we re-put the gas in. Woo! Come on, baby. Don't fail me now, Coleman. Okay, let's do it to it. Go ahead and make sure the fuel is on. I just put a little bit in here, so that's good to go. The fuel is on. The choke is on. I almost want to turn the choke off just to see if it'll start without the choke, but we'll keep the choke on for a second. Look at that. Boom. She good, man. She good. That's how to replace or install a new carburetor on your Coleman CT200U. Thanks for watching. I really enjoy doing all these videos. If you like this video or if it helped you, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Till next time, peace.